Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I heard some activity out here in the snowbank. So what did I find? Senior has the 350 dug out. It's still kind of buried, but it looks like we've got the block heaters plugged in. What's going on here?
You're asking me, huh? That was a nice warm day. I figured I'd probably looking at moving into the shop here a little bit. And got clutch problems.
Yeah, last time we went to move it, I think last fall, it was a little funny, wasn't it?
Some problems. So I uncovered, got the battery all charged up. I got block heaters in.
You're running two of them on this? Yeah, good old power strip plugged into them. I can hear them sizzling.
Yeah, I put two 450 watt frost plug heaters in.
Okay.
I did try a tank heater at first. 4 hours, this thing would barely start. I put them 450 watt frost plug heaters in, two of them, about an hour. Probably 100 degrees. I've had it plugged in probably 2.5 hours now. Figured, what the heck. We'll give it a little extra. I had to plow out to get around her and stuff. So
Well, should we give it a try?
yeah, let's give her a try, see what happens.
See if we can get it out of the snowbank yet today. Of course, we got to get it running first.
Okay, make sure the shut off is in.
Neutral.
Got her in neutral. I'm not even gonna, usually when I plug in them block heaters, this thing starts like summertime, so let's give her a test. Ready?
Yep. Look at that. That isn't bad. Sputters a little bit, but considering it's half buried in snow, I don't think that's bad at all. A little bit. See, we did an injection pump on this about a year ago, and it really needs to have the injectors gone through as well. And he said maybe even some pre-combustion work done to it while we're at it. So, but with the clutch being kind of funny, he's talking about maybe getting in the shop working on it a little bit. So it's kind of exciting, right?
That goes in the garage.
So because of the funny clutch, you need to shut it down to get it in reverse to start it again because it doesn't fully release, right?
Right.
And we'll see if it makes its way out of the snowbank. There you go. Perfect. One finger, even when it's cold. Are you saying you like that better than the Super M?
Well, let me put power steering on the Super M.
We do need to take the back plate off if it's going to fit in that shop. And we're not going to put it in the shop today. We're just staging this, getting it ready. But I have the fast hitch catches released so that we can get it right off of there. Lowering his footstep a little bit right there. It's easier to climb up that way. We're gonna try getting this in gear, being that we have like some colder, thicker oil in the back end. Maybe that might put enough of a drag on all the transmission gears to actually get the clutch to fully release. I don't know. Otherwise we have to shut it off to get it in gear. It went. It groaned a little bit, but it went. I think that thick oil is the key. Yeah, it's got a clutch for power flow, but it just doesn't fully release. So I don't know if we have a rodent's nest in the pressure plate, something. Well, no, usually it makes them slip. He shifted gears again, so we just have to threaten to take it in the shop, and all of a sudden it starts acting normally. Look at that, we don't even need the bar. Perfect. You like power steering, I know. He likes that alternator on there too, and I can't stand an alternator on track. What'd you say, the accessories? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's got the tack on it. Oh, like a draft indicator? Or is it?
Where you're raising lower, like the draft.
There we go. Yeah, it's got that on there.
Compensates for the alternator.
No, nothing compensates for an alternator. Blasphemy. Park it up right here.
Yeah, it's a little handy. I don't have to plow it out again, hopefully.
And we've got it ready. Even if it's too cold to start later, we've got the back blade off, and we can just take the Kubota and nudge it down to the shop. So
handy. I can plug it in yet too. So.
Yeah.
Starts
So
good with them block heaters.
Possible 2023 project? I don't know. Thanks for watching, everybody.